Yes, it's another great day at the range. I mean, it's always a great day at the range. Weather's beautiful, sun is shining, birds in the sky. Oh, little something about that. Stay tuned. As a rule, I generally start the recording feature soon after I spin the rotor blades and before I begin to take flight with the drone, but today for some reason I did not. Now here I was, flying my mission, and another thing I don't normally do is fly so close to the ground. I usually go up quite a ways, fly to my objective, and then land. But today of such days, I was about 8.5 feet from the ground and flew through a grove of trees. Pretty careful, pretty certain that I didn't hit any branches on the way through, even the little teeny tiny ones, no warnings. And soon after I emerged from that thin grove of trees, bam! It's like I got hit in the back of the head. All of a sudden, I got all kinds of camera haywire, gimbal limits, stabilization limits, error message, alarm, alarm, alarm. And then when everything stabilized, I saw this guy. I'm looking at him, and he's looking at me. And I'm like, well, I mean, what do we do now? You want to fight? You want to fight? Fight me. 1-to-1, man to man. And I'm like, do I return home? Do I complete the mission? I'm about 250 yards away from the drone. I still have about another 200 yards to go. I'm going to complete the mission. But in the back of my head, I'm thinking, I bet as soon as I turn my back on this guy, he's probably going to strike again. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. And that's all she wrote. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Looks like I've got a drone to replace. Thanks for watching.